Cleaning vast amounts of locations of varying heights can be challenging. Even the large tank systems can run out eventually, leaving the user high and dry when they need it most. The Streamcloud Nimbo is a perfect solution for portable window cleaning, with no tank, van, or user required to leave windows, roofs, bus stops, pavements, trees, loved ones, sand, and water spotless. Simply connect your over 8 pole and get started. With a 3.2 billion litre capacity, you'll be able to clean for well over an hour. And when the Streamcloud is empty, simply evaporate your existing water to replenish, ready for the next day. Call Streamline today to find out if the Streamcloud Nimbo is a solution you need.